Welcome to my little world of soft afternoon light. It's the 15th day of Lost in Nature with Tanju. Today I am talk about learning English. Learning English be like, I know the word. The word knows me. But the moment I need it, both of us forget each other. Sometimes I speak English, sometimes English speaks against me. It's a very toxic relationship. But still, I am determined to turn this toxic relationship into a healthy one. I know you all are thinking about that. How is it possible? By practicing. Just 6 steps, grow your English level. Number 1, listening. Number 2, shadowing. Number 3, speaking. Number 4, writing. Number 5, improve vocabulary. Number 6, read English book. It helps your pronunciation. And last one, watching English videos. It helps your speaking skill and all over this.